Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his first reaction to the Sanatan Dharma controversy, has said that the remarks of Tamil Nadu Minister Udyanidhi Stalin needs proper response. Modi's response came a day after Udyanidhi Stalin cited the central government's omission of an invite to President Draupadi Murmu for the inauguration of the new parliament as an example of discrimination by practitioners of Sanatan Dharma. PM Modi, in an informal chat with the ministers during the cabinet meeting, raised the issue and said that the ministers should give befitting reply to the Sanatan Dharma debate. They should learn about the subject and present facts to counter the opposition leaders in the Sanatan row without letting the India versus Bharat controversy eclipse the Sanatan row. PM Modi also cautioned that only party spokesperson should speak on the India versus Bharat issue, the report said. The minister, the son of Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, has refused to apologize for his comment that Sanatan Dharma is akin to a disease and should be eradicated. He has repeatedly said he is ready to face any legal action for his comments. There are reports that attempts are being made to get the Tamil Nadu governor's sanction to initiate action against him. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin's son Udyanidhi Stalin stoked a controversy after he compared Sanatan Dharma with dengue and malaria and stressed that Sanatan Dharma should be done away with. The comment triggered a massive political controversy with BJP leaders questioning India leaders whether it is the collective opinion of the opposition. Udyanidhi was also accused of encouraging genocide. Udyanidhi stood by what he said and clarified that his comment was against caste-based society. He denied that his comments were genocidal and said when PM Modi talks of Congress Mukt Bharat, he does not speak of erasing all Congress people. The comment also put some allies of the new opposition bloc India in a delicate spot ahead of a series of state elections by the year end and the general elections next year. The Congress has taken a nuanced stance, saying all religions should be respected and people have the right to express opinions. Younger leaders of the Congress like Priyank Kharge and Karti Chidambaram have backed Stalin Jr. So has CPM's D. Raja. Arvind Kejriwal, Aam Aadmi Party and Mamata Banerjee's Trinamool Congress have made their disapproval clear.